Welcome to the third part of our video series. In the last video series, we created the HTML form, but we only forgot to put there the labels for their corresponding input fields. So we shall try to do that straight away before we go into CSS, because we need to make this a bit more organized and but every input field will have its own form. Like that. So here it is a label for. Here we shall duplicate this and create IDs. For example, a ID we use it to uniquely identify a given form field or HTML tag or element. So we shall come here, middle name, we also have an ID. That we shall say ID. I have used the same names to avoid confusion or discrepancies sometimes arise because of different names. So at least I'll try to do something like this. Everything will have an ID like that. So the email will have an ID, that ID. The password will also have an ID like that. ID, password, and no ID for this. However, you can put just ID of type submit. Shall say ID submit. An ID is like, for example, someone's at school, they give them an ID. So every person has an ID that is unique. So even here, an ID is unique, identifying the specific HTML element or form field or any tag. Yes, so when we are creating CSS will be looking for the specific ID in order to apply the styles or even JavaScript. So here, I will try to put this is a label for ID, name. This is label for ID, and name, like that. This is the ID this is label for ID and name. This is ID, label for ID, username. Here, this is label for ID, email. This is label for ID, password. Like that. It's very, very simple. So this was meant to be a short video to help us to improve our HTML form. Now let us come back ready for CSS.